Good morning, students. Today is Wednesday, 19 August 2020. You are welcome in class 6, 10th level. Yesterday we started new unit that is 22 electromagnetic induction, and we started its first topic that is 22.1 electromagnetic induction and electromagnetic flux. We studied that electromagnetic flux, that when we change the flux either by moving the solenoid or by the movement of magnet, we observe that EMF produced in a coil in a solenoid. So Faraday and Lenz, they perform little more experiments and they deduce some results. So in first figure we see that bar magnet, its south pole was moved toward the solenoid. In a result, the EMF produced in opposite to the movement of magnet. Magnet moving from right to left, whereas the current produced in a solenoid opposite, that from left to right, and the needle of the galvanometer, it deflects on left side. So the deflection and the movement of the magnet both are in the same direction, from right to left, but the current direction is opposite to both of them. In the second figure, magnet is stationary. Solenoid, the coil is also stationary, no motion. Both are in rest position. Therefore, no electromagnetic flux changes. Unless we change the flux, there will be no EMF produced in the solenoid. So needle shows no deflection. It means that zero EMF. In the third figure, south pole of the magnet moves from left to right. The direction of the needle is also from left to right. This needle is of galvanometer and the current is opposite direction. In first figure and the third figure, it is very clear that in both the cases, south pole, while moves toward the coil or moves away from the coil, the current direction is opposite to the motion of the bar magnet. But the needle direction is toward the, along with the parallel direction, the same direction of the magnet. Now we will see that what happened if we move the north pole. Same, the north pole, the first that if north pole, again now the north pole is there. North pole of the bar magnet is in front of the solenoid. If there is no relative motion between both of them, no EMF will produce. In both the cases, we see that while if it is the north pole or south pole and there is no relative motion between the solenoid and the bar magnet, no flux will be changed. Unless the flux is being changed, the flux can be changed only either we move the solenoid or we move the magnet. So in the fifth figure, Now the north pole is in front of the solenoid. Again, while we move the north pole of the magnet toward the solenoid, the direction of the current is in the same direction as that of the north pole. North pole direction is from left to right. The magnet induced EMF, and the direction of EMF is also from left to right. And the needle moves against the opposite to the north pole. In the last figure, the last result, we see that if we move the north pole of the magnet away from the solenoid, the direction of the current will be toward the north pole. In case of south pole and in case of north pole, entirely the situation is opposite to both of them. In this case, sixth figure, north pole of the magnet, we moving is in front of the solenoid, but while we move the magnet away from the solenoid, the current direction is also from left to right. So needle moves against or in opposite direction to the magnet. So these were some results that was deduced by the Lenz's and Faraday's. Again, I am going to have a small review. In case of south pole, when we move magnet toward the solenoid, current direction is against the movement of the magnet. But in case of north pole, while the north pole is toward the solenoid and we move the magnet toward the solenoid, the current has the same direction. So these were the few results that how we can find out the direction of magnet and direction of the current. Movement of the direction of the current. Here we see that S pole produce. S pole produce. Here no pole because no motion. Here S pole moves, magnet moves away on this end of the solenoid, north pole will be produced. In the same case, while north pole was in front of the solenoid and the magnet moves toward the solenoid, north pole was on this end, which means that both of them they repel each other. In this case, the south pole produce mean the attraction of, due to the attraction, both of the magnet and the direction of the current are the same. Thank you, boy. God bless you. Have a very wonderful day. Hopefully, we will see each other tomorrow. God bless you.